to another episode of Pro PC Computer Tips. Today, we'll be talking about how to set up your PC setup. Inception. Number one, we're going to do something today, and it's going to involve computers, setting up your computers, how to be productive, and how to have a pleasant working experience, because that is extremely important to also be pleasant, to be a pleasant person, and to be very productive during the workspace. So, let us go. Step one.
The first and most important step of the perfect and ideal desk setup is ample monitor space. As you can see here, we have set up a... Who put this picture here? Who did this? I am done with all... Step number 2.
So when you have this many peripherals on you, you have the opportunity to listen to, let's say, more music at once. Get a better taste of the world and what's happening these days. Because you never know, really. So play some music. Put another song on.
Step number 3.
So, step number 3 is having a very good desk setup. So make sure your desk area, keyboard and desk area, is nice and clean and dust-free for a safe and enjoyable working environment.
Number 4.
Alright, and welcome to step 4 of the perfect setup to make your work environment a little bit better. So, you want to have your computer in a nice, safe environment like I have here. No risk of damages. No risk of damages or anything. You know. Step number 5. So for step number 5 of the ultimate clean and crisp PC setup, you want to have a nice big mouse pad, unlike this flimsy little one we have right here. So, mouse pad please. There we go. Now you have plenty of space to move your mouse around and flop it all around.